Hi everybody, this is just a short video on how to launch LUapps. So you're going to open up a browser such as Google Chrome, which is where I am, and in the address bar type in lts.lehigh.edu/LUapps. Once you do that, you'll be sent to the LUapps page. And just a couple of things to note here. You obviously have to have an internet connection active. If you're off campus, you do have to run this through a VPN. So if you haven't downloaded the VPN software, you can download that right off of the LUapps page. And also you'll need to make sure that the Citrix receiver is enabled or downloaded on your computer as well. So you may have to put on one or two pieces of software. What LUapps will allow you to do, however, is run SolidWorks through the LTS mainframe. And so the lovely thing is, like, I'm using a Mac today to teach SolidWorks, which is technically only a PC program. You can run it from any computer, and it doesn't matter kind of the speed of your computer processor. All of the SolidWorks processing and graphics processing is being done at LTS site. And so you're really just kind of a graphic interface. Your computer's just serving as a graphic interface. So this is a great way to not have to purchase any software for using things like SolidWorks or other specialized tools. But again, you do have to either, if you're off campus, use a VPN. If you're on campus, either on the Wi-Fi or LAN connection, you do not have to have a VPN running, but you do have to have the Citrix receiver software installed. Once you've done all that, you simply just click the Launch LUapps button at the top of the page. It's the big green bar, and it will pop up this the Citrix receiver page, which lists all of the available software that you have here. So we're going to scroll down to SolidWorks, and we're going to launch SolidWorks 2018. Whenever possible, try to use the more current version, as it's not backward compatible, meaning if you do work in a SolidWorks 2017 and try to bring it into 2018, 2018 can open the file, but if you do work in 2018, you can't open it in 2017 or an earlier version. So just trying to stay current with the most up-to-date version is probably the best option. So you simply launch this by double-clicking on it, and it will go ahead and ask if you want to open it in the Citrix Workspace Launcher. And that's it. Once you do that, SolidWorks will open in the background here, and you can go ahead and start to do your work. We will pick up the SolidWorks tutorials then in the next video, which is kind of our intro level SolidWorks. Thank you.